Welcome back to another video. Today we got a pro ad from Home Depot. It says valid March 25th to April 1st. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, more Home Depot, Lowe's, Harbor Freight. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with the first page. As we can see here, we don't have any tools on the first page. Second page, we have this drill set right here. Okay, DeWalt 20 volt max, lithium ion, 1/2 inch drill driver kit with two 20 volt batteries, 1.3 and a charger and a tool bag for 99 bucks. This is an okay deal because you're getting two batteries. However, they are smaller batteries. This is an older tool, so don't expect this to be the brushless, the newest tool out there. But this is a great tool. It'll get the job done. This is a washer, Mana load washer, $3.98. Let's see here. Got some batteries here. Joby 18 volt and 1 lithium ion 6.0 amp hour with HP plus HP high capacity battery 2-pack for 99 bucks. So you get two 6 amp hour for 99 bucks. $50 a piece basically. You got the Joby 13 inch 11 amp corded electric walk behind push mower for 89. So on this one you do have to carry around the extension cord, and that's the only downside. You know, lawnmower extension cords, that's why it's so low on cost, because nobody wants them. You know, if you got a really small yard, this will work. Other than that, you're going to be hauling that extension cord through all the yard, and it just become a trip hassle, or a hassle that you can run it over with the lawnmower and get electrocuted there. So I would not recommend something like that, but you know, everybody has their own opinion. We got a grill for $1.99. Let's see here, we got some more tools. We got trusted picks for pros. You see they're showing the Milwaukee drill. It's not a bad deal actually. Milwaukee M18 lithium ion 1/2 inch drill. Drill driver kit with two 1.5 amp hour batteries and a charger and hard case. So this is like the one from DeWalt. Basically you're getting the same thing, but you're getting a hard case here. And I believe this is not the brushless model. So this is the older model, and you do get two 1.5 amp hour batteries like the other one too. It says compact driver, powerful drill in its class. Okay. Alright. $119 for that. We got a Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty titanium drill bit set, 15 piece for just under $20, or $19.97. Pretty much Milwaukee 15 piece Shockwave Impact Duty titanium drill bit set for red helix R engineer impact driver for drills, cobalt red. Okay. You got the, you know, of all the drills that we see here, I would just get this one. This one's, I like impact drills. Those are the ones I do. You could do more things with these, easier. Milwaukee M18 18 volt cordless 1/4 inch impact driver with two 1.5 amp hour batteries and a charger, hard case for $119. Because they do sell like these bits. They sell them for, this will fit an impact driver. So if you need to drill something, you can fit those on there. And plus you can use the Phillips and the flathead for screw driving. Among other competitors, yeah. It's just my preference. You got the Milwaukee Hole Dozer general purpose bimetal hole saw kit, 9 piece for $39.97. You got DeWalt 20 volt max lithium ion cordless brushless 7 1/4 Circular saw with brake and tool only for $129. Every time you buy something like this, I would recommend you get the kit. You get a much better deal. You get a lot more for your money if you buy multiple tools at once. You get the DeWalt, not unless you already have all the tools you need and you just need that one. Then I guess you can do that. Got the DeWalt 20 volt max XR lithium ion cordless, brushless 1/4 or 4.5 paddle switch, small angle grinder, kickback brake, to only $136.89. And this is the same thing, but this is not the brushless. This is the older model. DeWalt 20 volt max lithium ion cordless oscillating. Oh, this is the multi tool. My bad. Yeah, this is just the multi tool for $129. So it's not the older model. It's just a multi tool. DeWalt Max Fit screwdriver set 32 piece for $9.97. It's not a bad deal. You get some bits here. You get some more drill bits on. Look at these. You get the Phillips there. Little bit holder right there. So it's a nice little kit. It says bulk price, savings 10% off. Milwaukee pneumatic 1 3/4 15-degree coil roofing nailer for $199. You got the DeWalt 20 volt max XR lithium ion cordless 15 gauge angled finish nailer to only $319.99. So this will get the battery, and it is wireless or airless, whatever you want to call it. So it is battery operated. You can take it anywhere. That is the advantage of this technology now. Got the rigid 15-degree 1 3/4 inch coil roofing nailer for $249. Those are the nails, $27 for $97 for the roofing nails. You get the Paslod Power Master Pro 30-degree pneumatic framing nailer, $256.47. Those are the nails, $45.47. Now we got some ladders here. We got a Werner, what is this? 6 feet fiberglass step ladder, 225-pound load capacity, type 2, $54.96. You got a 4 feet fiberglass step ladder, 250-pound, $44.94. Yeah, I would just get the 5 feet. You know, just paying what, $10 more, basically. Not unless you have a small SUV or a small car, then it's worth getting the $44.94. You got the 16 feet aluminum extension ladder, 225-pound capacity, $99.96. You got a Gorilla ladder, 3-step pro grade steel project ladder, 300-pound capacity, $44.97. Gorilla ladders, 22 feet. Gorilla's ladders are good brands. Reach MPX aluminum position, 375 load capacity, $179. Gorilla ladders, 5.5 feet aluminum hybrid ladder, $250. I guess hybrid means that it's different. You can use it as just an extension ladder, or like a tripod, or like a dual load capacity, duty rating for $59.97. I skip one, I guess. Gorilla ladders, 55 inch by 14, 20 in depth. Is that 20? Maybe 20 inch height. Yeah, 55 inches this way, 14 inches this way, and I guess 20 inches that way. So heavy duty adjustable height aluminum Pro Slim Fold Work Platform, 300-pound load capacity, $129. And this is the one we skipped. The 10 feet reach fiberglass podium ladder with 300-pound capacity, type IA. $149. Got some paints there. Alright, that's it. Yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one.